Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fit and fine at your own places. Yesterday, we have started the chapter Establishment of Company Rule in India, and we get to know company, how a trading company, East India Company, become an imperial power in India. So, today we are going to start the very important Carnatic War. Carnatic War means there is a place in the south that is called Carnatic. This one in the coastal regions of eastern Ghats, Carnatic, which is also known as a Coromandel coast. Clear? So, both the trading companies, East India Company and French Trading Company, want to occupy that region to gain profit. They want to control the trading post in the coastal region in a Coromandel coast of Karnataka. So, the Carnatic War is basically a series of battles. You may see three Carnatic wars were fought. So it's a series of battles fought between East India Company and French Trading Company to control the trading posts in India between 1746 to 1763. So that is a Carnatic War. And at the end of a Carnatic War, at the third Carnatic War, the East India Company set up their supremacy, and French East India Company was totally dissolved. Dissolved means ended in 1770, and their dream to set up their control in India was totally ended. That was a result of the whole Carnatic War. Let's do these wars in detail. First is your First Carnatic War. First Carnatic War is the result of Austrian War of Succession. There was a Austria in Europe. So, two groups were there. One group was supported by England and another group was supported by French. And both these groups want to control the Austria. So they were a rivalry of each other, and whose impact we can see in India. That's why Commodore Barnett, the British naval officer, arrived into India with troops. But the French wanted peace with British. So the Nawab of Karnataka, Anwaruddin, also ordered that there should be no war at my place, as they Barnett enter on the Carnatic place to fought with French trading company. So the Nawab of Karnataka ने कहा मेरे यहाँ पे कोई लड़ाई नहीं होनी चाहिए. That's why the Barnett returned. But the French trading company was very smart one under the leadership of General Dupleix. Dupleix didn't keep his promise and attacked the trading post of East India Company Madras and occupied it. So the British complained the Nawab Anwaruddin. So Anwaruddin attacked the French trading company, but he lost the battle. He was badly defeated by the French. On the other hand, Austrian Succession War came to an end in 1748. Here, the position of French weakened. दैट्स वाई दे क्रिएट अ प्रेशर, जिसका इम्पैक्ट इंडिया में देखने को मिला. सो अंडर अ ट्रीटी ऑफ Aix-Chapelle, the French has to return the Madras again to the East India Company. That is your first Carnatic War. Let's do Second Carnatic War. Second Carnatic War took place between two groups. One group was led by French Trading Company and another group was led by East India Company. So the scenario was there was two places in Karnataka. One is Hyderabad and another is a capital of Karnataka, that is Arcot. So different places are there, and at the demise of the particular Nawab at that places, different relatives of them want to be Nawab. Muzaffar Jung and Nasir Jung both want to be Nawab of Hyderabad. Chanda Sahib, Muhammad Ali, they want to be Nawab of Arcot. So both the different groups, मुजफ्फर जंग जो हैदराबाद का नवाब बनना चाहता था, चंदा साहब जो आर्कट का, इसको सपोर्ट किया फ्रेंच ट्रेडिंग कंपनी ने. नासिर जंग, मोहम्मद अली जो अगेन नासिर जंग हैदराबाद का, मोहम्मद अली आर्कट का नवाब बनना चाहता था. इसको सपोर्ट किसने किया? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी में. सो देयर वॉज अ फाइट बिटवीन दीज टू ग्रुप्स. इस दोनों ग्रुप्स के बीच में फाइट हुई एंड ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अंडर नाजीर जंग वन दैट बैटल very smartly. So that is your second Carnatic War. Let's do the third Carnatic War. Third Carnatic War, again here फ्रेंच को लग रहा था कि हम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, बट दे अंडर एस्टिमेटेड द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी रूल. सो फ्रांस ने अटैक किया मद्रास के ऊपर. फ्रांस ट्रेडिंग कंपनी ने मद्रास को कैप्चर कर लिया. जो मद्रास किसकी ट्रेडिंग कंपनी थी? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की. सो हेयर वेरी स्मार्ट रॉबर्ट क्लाइव, अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ रॉबर्ट क्लाइव, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने नदन सिरकर, which place is near to Karnataka, you may see here, नदन सिरकर. फिर वेरी स्मार्टली एक रॉबर्ट क्लाइव ने अपने एक कर्नल फॉर्ड को कहाँ भेजा? नर्दन सिरकर पे, दैट इज नियर टू कर्नाटक, कि गो एंड कैप्चर इट. And when he was able to capture the northern Sirkar, side by side he got a support of Hyderabad Nawab Salabat Jung. उसको किसका सपोर्ट भी मिल गया? सलाबत जंग का. सो नैदर सरकर हैदराबाद कनेक्शन. इसके बाद जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी थी वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई. क्लियर? वो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई कि दे फॉट अ बैटल एट वेंडी वॉश. वेंडी वॉश इज अ प्लेस नियर टू मद्रास. और इस प्लेस में बुरी तरह से फ्रेंच ट्रेडिंग कंपनी हार गई. ये तो चल रहा था सारा इंडिया में. इसी टाइम पे पैरेलल 7 ईयर वॉर्स चल रही थी इन यूरोप में, विच एंडेड इन 1763. और वहाँ पे एक ट्रीटी हुई पेरिस की टू सॉर्ट आउट, जिसमें फ्रेंच की सिचुएशन अगेंस्ट वर्स्ट थी. तो इस ट्रीटी के अंडर जो भी मद्रास को कैप्चर किया था फ्रेंच ट्रेडिंग कंपनी ने, वो उसको रिटर्न करना पड़ा। और जो फाइट के टाइम पे पौंडीचेरी जो ब्रिटिशर्स ने कैप्चर कर लिए थे, वो पौंडीचेरी उन्होंने फ्रेंच ट्रेडिंग कंपनी को रिटर्न कर दी। सो दैट इज योर थर्ड कर्नाटिक वॉर, but it play a very important role in the history of India, as at the end of all three Carnatic war, the British supremacy was established, and the French ambition of establishing an empire in India ended, and French East India Company was totally dissolved in 1770, and the France General Dupleix was called back to France in disgrace. On the other hand, Robert Clive, who was leading East India Company, was succeeded in making a name for himself among the native princes. He won many more battles for the English. Clear, Ajay? So let's review these battles with a short movie या short video.
The land along the Coromandel coast and its hinterland in southern India was known as Carnatic. It was initially under the Mughal administration. However, after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707, the Nawab of Arcot announced his independence and assumed power over the Carnatic region. Around the same time, arch rivals Britain and France were engaged in a serious power struggle to oust each other from India. Their rivalry intensified further in India due to their political differences in Europe. Soon, Britain and France fought thrice against each other in the Carnatic region to eventually establish their supremacy in India. These wars were called the Carnatic Wars. The War of the Austrian Succession was an important cause for the First Carnatic War. In 1740, the French took advantage of the political crisis between Austria and Prussia and invaded Flanders, an Austrian-dominated region. In retaliation, several Austrian allies, including Britain, sent their troops to tackle the French. This led to a major war between Britain and France in 1744, which soon spread to India as well. The French East India Company had already established its base at Pondicherry in the Carnatic region. Therefore, Dupleix, the French governor of India, was keen to further expand the French supremacy in South India. Taking advantage of the Anglo-French War in Europe, Dupleix captured Madras, which was under the control of the British East India Company in 1746. The British immediately requested the Nawab of Carnatic, Anwaruddin, to intervene. However, the French defeated the Nawab of Carnatic at Santhome. By 1748, even the War of Austrian Succession came to an end in Europe. Both Britain and France then signed the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, whereby Madras was returned to the British. Though there were no territorial gains made, the First Carnatic War made it clear that the French could no longer be underestimated. It also drew the French attention towards the weak southern powers in India. The Second Carnatic War fought in 1748, was actually a local war of succession triggered by the death of rulers of Hyderabad and Carnatic. After the death of Nizam-ul-Mulk of Hyderabad in 1748, his son Nasir Jung and his grandson Muzaffar Jung were both fighting for the throne, while in Carnatic, Dost Ali's son-in-law Chanda Sahib was displeased when Anwaruddin, a British supporter, was made the Nawab in 1744. As predetermined, the French replaced Nasir Jung as the Nizam of Hyderabad with their nominee Muzaffar Jung, who was soon replaced by Salabat Jung after his death. In Carnatic, Chanda Sahib, along with Muzaffar Jung and the French, dethroned Anwaruddin and ascended the throne. However, Anwaruddin's son, Muhammad Ali, escaped to Trichinopoly and was soon besieged by Chanda Sahib. The course of the war changed when British officer Robert Clive attacked Arcot to divert part of the French and Chanda Sahib's army from Trichinopoly. Subsequently, Clive defended Arcot for nearly 53 days till the British captured Trichinopoly and released Muhammad Ali. Later, they defeated Chanda Sahib and made Muhammad Ali the Nawab of Carnatic. The Second Carnatic War re-established British supremacy in India, even though the later French governors made peace with the British. The Third Carnatic War was once again an echo of the Anglo-French rivalry in the form of the 7 Years' War in 1756. Soon, the battlefield shifted to Bengal in 1757, wherein the British solidified their position with the victory at the Battle of Plassey. In the meanwhile, the French general at Hyderabad attacked Madras, leaving the gates open for the British to capture Hyderabad. Once Hyderabad was captured, the British concentrated on Madras and defeated the French at Wandiwash in 1716. By 1761, the French surrendered Pondicherry, their commercial base, to the British. The Third Carnatic War ended with the end of the 7 Years' War in 1763. However, as per the Treaty of Paris, the British returned all the captured French provinces. The success of Britain at the Carnatic Wars greatly amounted to superior naval power and mastery over sea routes, which provided them with steady supply of arms and other supplies. Besides, a strong and stable economy ensured continuous flow of funds. Other success factors were freedom from government control and interference, efficient leadership, and well-coordinated efforts.
So students, today you had to go through from all 3 Carnatic wars. Go through from it very carefully. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.